Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Ali Grace lace frontal wig right here. The hair is actually 13 by 4 lace frontal wig and it is 20 inches long and 150 density. The hair comes in this kid green bag right here, and it comes with a wig cap and an instruction of how to take good care of your hair. This is what the hair looks like straight from the box. It's super duper silky and the highlights are amazing. The hair is slightly pre-plucked straight from the box, and the lace is really soft and very easy to work with. The construction of the cap is glueless. As you can tell, it has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. I really love the construction of this cap. The construction of the cap is glueless, so you don't need any glue or gel to install the hair. But as always, I like to use glue to install my wig so that I'll be able to wear the hair for a while and give you guys more detailed review during this voiceover. I'm still wearing this hair as I speak, and I love the hair. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling. Still, the hair is still going stronger, just exactly like the same day that I installed the hair. To install the hair, I followed these simple steps and they're self-explanatory really. I cut the lace from the center first, then apply the glue on the areas where I was going to place the lace, and then place the lace exactly on the glue where the glue ended. So I use my comb to, flatten the lace of the wig nice and nice on the, glue. I'm just saying it. So yeah, that was all I did, and I did the same thing on the other side as well. I cut the lace, apply my glue, and then place the lace exactly on where I applied the glue. And yeah, it's just as simple as that. You do the same, follow the same step on the other side, but please bear in mind, let the glue dry invisible before you place your lace on it, otherwise your hair might be messy. But let the glue dry. That's the best tips ever, because sometimes you tend to be in a hurry and place your lace even before the wig the glue is dry. Then that would make your hair really messy. As you can tell, I waited for the glue to be invisible, then place the lace on it, and then use the comb to press in the lace on the glue, and that was it. The lace melted into my skin effortlessly. Like seriously, I love the lace of this wig, and I love the fact that the you know construction of the cap is amazing, that I don't actually have to stress at all. The lace was very easy to work with and very soft. I love this hair. I love the fact that I don't have to stress myself to install it or anything like that. And I also love the fact that the hair is full to the brim. I love the fact that I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. So what I did next was apply the bedded spray on my hairline, then brush the hair backwards, then apply the elastic band to further melt the lace into my skin, and then voila, that was all I did. The lace melted into my skin effortlessly, like effortlessly. And I used my foundation brush, the one I used to apply my makeup, to blend the you know hairline, just to make sure that the bedded spray is not showing on my hairline whatsoever. So yeah, look at that. Like, show me the lace. Where is the laces? Like, where is the lace? Bear in mind that you can pat the hair anywhere you like within the 13 by 4 lace closure. So yeah, you can go for center part, you can go for half part, you can go for any part of your choice, as you can see from the video now. So I decided to go for center part anyway. I pat the hair to center and then apply the Kerry Care wax stick on the hair, and then I use my hot comb to you know blend the hair downwards, just to give it that flat look. As you can tell, you can style it anyhow you like. You can go for half up, half down. You can go for any style of your choice. You can just style it like your own natural hair. Anyway, so yeah, everything I did in this video from this point onwards is self-explanatory. So You don't have to really do much. You can stop from here, but you know me, I like to go extra. So I applied the powder on my part. You don't have to do this, as I said, but I'm just used to doing that anyway. So voila, that is it. Cut your lace and you are good to go. But as always, just to prove to you guys that this hair is actually human hair, I have to do it. I had to apply heat on the hair. There's no need for you to straighten this hair straight from the box. The hair is silky straight, but I just had to do it just to show you guys that the hair is actually human hair, which I am still wearing and I am still loving. Look at that. I was technically feeling myself. I love this hair, and I really recommend that you guys check out Ali Grace Hair for all your quality hair at affordable prices. Like, yeah, think of that. Very full, very voluminous, very silky, and very soft at the same time. I am loving it. Stay tuned for my review. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Ali Grace lace frontal wig I'm wearing right now. The hair is actually 20 inches long and it is 150 density. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box is the fact that the hair was super duper silky straight from the box, that you don't even have to use straightener on this hair straight from the box. Like seriously, super duper silky and very soft to touch. As you guys can tell, the hair is really soft. I love the quality of this hair, and I'm quite surprised about the fact that despite the fact that the hair is actually a colored hair, there has been no tangling, no shedding whatsoever. Throughout the styling of this hair, I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. I love how soft the hair is. I love the quality of the hair. The quality of the hair is amazing. I worked with Ali Grace before and I really love the quality of their hair, and especially with the fact that this one is colored hair, I am really impressed. The quality of the hair is super duper good. The thing I love about this hair is the fact that the lace melted into my skin, guys. Show me the lace. Like where is the lace? The lace melted into my skin effortlessly. I love it. The lace of the wig is really soft and very easy to work with, and I also love the fact that the hair does not have any nasty smell to it. So if you don't know Ali Grace Hair, Ali Grace Hair are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace closure wig, they have lace frontal wig, have all types of hair length, styles and texture on their website. And the most amazing thing is the fact that they normally have offers on their website every now and then. So if you visit their website, you definitely find something for you and your loved ones. About this brand is the fact that their shipping was really quick. It took exactly 3 days to get here in the UK, which for me is just amazing. Like guys, 3 days in the UK. I love their shipping. Their shipping was really quick. This is actually 100% human hair. You can treat it like your own natural hair. You can dye it, you can tongue it, you can, you know, curl it, you can do anything you like with the hair. You can add more highlights if you want. So yeah, it's a pure 100% quality human hair. And yeah, as you guys already know, when it comes to quality hair, you have nothing to worry about. Ali Grace Hair is giving the best top-notch quality hair because they've been in this game for a very long time. So yeah, I'll definitely recommend that you guys check them out. Another thing I love about this is the fact that the color is exactly the same as it was on their website, which for me is just amazing. Like, I know sometimes we tend to buy colored hair online and you start getting worried about the fact that whether what we buy is what we're gonna get, but with this hair I can assure you that you definitely get what you purchased online. The color variation is exactly the same as it was on their websites, which for me is just amazing. As the highlights were in the right place. Like seriously, I love the highlights of this hair. Super stunning. As you can tell, they're just positioned in the right place, in my opinion. Plait this hair anyhow I like when it comes to the highlights of the hair, it's just one of the most amazing thing I love about this hair. So would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely. In terms of the quality of the hair, it's definitely AA+ for me. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever, and in terms of the lace of the wig, it's definitely AA+ for me because the lace melted into my skin effortlessly. And in terms of how accurate the color of the hair is based on their website, it's definitely AA+ for me. And in terms of their shipping, it's definitely AA+ for me because their shipping took exactly 3 days to get here in the UK.
In terms of how easy it is to, you know, install this hair and style this hair, it's definitely a plus for me. That's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.